Steve Klaphake, and I farm with my two sons, Kevin and Mike. We're in the heart of Dairyland in Prince County, Freeport, Minnesota, and been farming for 29 years. This is my dad's farm. I've got 119 cows milking right now. Anyone considering the robots, I mean, they're very simple. I think they're quite simple. I mean, after the cows learn the routine, it's not a problem at all. Everything works very well. It's so compact. It's really relaxing to the cows, and they have a lot of different extra features the other ones don't have. We can actually go wherever we want, when we want, because we're not set to milk at early morning or late or early night. We can change our routine around, and we can do whatever we feel like doing. The Juno is really beneficial because it runs every hour, pushing up feed, so the cows are always have fresh feed in front of them. Labor-wise, I'm never up here pushing feed in. I mean, the Juno does the job. It makes its run, goes back into this little charging spot, charges up to the next push, and it's done. Oh, the cows are unreal. They just, as soon as they hear that little beeping sound of the Juno feeder, I mean, they're up here looking for feed again. The cow feeder, when we put it in, the biggest advantage is the amount of times the calf is fed, up to 6 times a day. The cow calf feeder is very efficient, helping making our time available to do other things. We don't have to take care of the calves. As it enters the station, the feeder recognizes its ear tag and immediately starts to mix up feed. It fills a small mixing jug. So many grams of milk replacer added by water and mixed up and fed. You can see the amount of growth on these calves versus the 2-week-olds. It's just a huge difference. These are probably 2 weeks older.